Now let's start with a question from your book. See page number 19, question number 7, part 1. That is A complement. A complement का मतलब है you have to find out difference between universal set and the given set. And the given set is A here. So starting with A complement. What do you mean by A complement? Is U, which denotes universal set, and minus the given set, which is A. Now A complement equals to what is universal set? Universal set is this. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 minus set A. That is 1, 2, 5 and 7. As we have discussed earlier कि जब हम डिफरेंस निकालते हैं तो दोनों सेट्स के जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उनको एलिमिनेट करते हैं और जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स होते हैं पहले सेट के यानी कि फर्स्ट रिटन सेट के पहले रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स जो होंगे वो हमारा आंसर होगा. दैट मीन्स इस सेट में से हम 1, 2, 5 एंड 7 को कैंसिल आउट करेंगे बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट सेट हैज़ 1, 2, 5 एंड 7. सो हमने पहले सेट में से इनको कैंसिल आउट किया एंड द आंसर विल बी द रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स. दैट मीन्स व्हाट विल बी आवर आंसर? 3, 4 and 6. This is our answer. Now let's solve part 2 of the same question, that is question number 7. Part 2 is A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement means U minus A intersection B. जब भी हमारे पास कॉम्प्लीमेंट का साइन आएगा दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन यूनिवर्सल सेट एंड द गिवन रिक्वायरमेंट, वेदर इट इज सिंपल सिंगल सेट और couple of sets with intersection and union side and or whatever. So here it is A intersection B, which have to be differentiated with the universal set. So now according to the BODMAS rule we have to solve bracket first. Bracket first means A intersection B, which means bracket first bracket will be set A, that is 1, 2, 5 and 7. Sign of intersection and set B, that is 1, 3, 6 and 7. अच्छा, इंटरसेक्शन में हमें क्या करना होता है? इंटरसेक्शन में हमें कॉमन एलिमेंट्स निकाल के सेट बनाना होता है और वही हमारा आंसर होता है. सो हियर in both the set what is the common element? We have 7 as the common elements, rest of all the elements and 1 and 7 are the common elements and rest of the elements are different. So now answer for A intersection B will be 1 and 7. Now we have got the answer for A intersection B, and now we have to perform the whole operation, that is A intersection B complement, which means we have to write set U, that is universal set, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus A intersection B. So what was our answer for A intersection B? Our answer was 1 and 7. So here we will write 1 and 7. डिफरेंस लेते हुए हम क्या करते हैं, कॉमन एलिमेंट्स को एलिमिनेट करते हैं और फर्स्ट रिटन ब्रैकेट में जो एलिमेंट्स बच जाते हैं, रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स आर टेकन एज आर आंसर. सो हियर इन दिस situation we will eliminate 1 and 7 as they are common in both the brackets, and now the remaining elements in the first written bracket will be taken as answer, which is A intersection B whole complement will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this will be our answer. Now, fifth part of the same question, that is question number 7, we have A complement union B complement. So, what we have to do is, first we have to find out A complement and then B complement and then union between both A complement and B complement. So, starting with A complement union B complement means we have to find out U minus A first, U minus B, and then union between both the sets. So first we will find A complement. A complement is U minus A. So now A complement will be U minus A means first we have to write bracket U. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sign of minus in between and then set A, that is 1, 2, 5 and 7. माइनस करते हुए हम क्या करते हैं, सेम एलिमेंट्स को हम एलिमिनेट करते हैं और जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स होते हैं इन द फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट वो हमारा आंसर होता है. सो लेट्स एलिमिनेट द कॉमन एलिमेंट्स. व्हाट आर द कॉमन एलिमेंट्स? दे आर 1, 2, 5 and 7. And now the remaining elements will be our answer for A complement. What are the remaining elements? They are 3, 4 and 6. 3, 4 and 6. Now secondly, we will find the answer for B complement, which means U minus B. So B complement will be U minus B. That means we have to write U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 minus set B, that is 1, 3, 6 and 7. So now after eliminating the common elements, that is 1, 3, 6 and 7, we are left with the answer for B complement, which is 2, 4 and 5. Now after finding answers for A complement and B complement, we will find our final answer, that is A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement. Now answer for A complement was 3, 4 and 6. Union Now what was our answer for B complement? That was 2, 4 and 5. Okay. Now A complement union B complement will be, दोनों सेट्स को मर्ज करके लिखेंगे, तो दे विल बी, अरेंजमेंट किस तरह से होगी, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this will be our final answer.